What's your promise to Papa?
I promise that I'll become doctor.
Wow. Sige, I will wait for that moment. I will be so happy if you become a doctor. Eh?
Okay.
Doctor of what? What do you want? Doctor of what? Doctor of the heart, of the brain, doctor for the kids. What do you want?
Both for the kids and the heart.
Okay. You want to be a cardiologist? I think yung doctor sa heart is cardiologist.
What is cardiologist?
Doctor sa mga heart. Sa
Okay.
pag-kids naman, pediatrician. Just like si Doktora, di ba? She's a pedia.
Opo.
That's why when
What
you're
is
a baby,
pedia?
kasasabi ko lang. Pinky promise kay Papa. You see this is the proof.
Opo.
This video is the proof that Kaiser promised me
Opo.
na he will become a doctor someday. Okay?
Opo.
Love you.
Ano po?
Sleeping ka na?
Opo.